Pretrial motions. So you've made it through the complaint, answers, discovery, and motions for summary judgment. The next phase is called pretrial motions. And what those are motions that are designed to streamline the process when you get to trial. Now, these motions would have to do with something like, let's say, you have evidence that you want to be in the trial. It's important to your case, but they don't want that information or that evidence to be presented during the trial. So you know that they're going to object to it, so you want to get your ruling during the pre-trial motions. Make sure that you can get your evidence in. So that's one thing of pre-trial motions. Another thing is called motions in limine. And what those are you wanting to exclude certain information. Let's take, for example, that you're being sued by your landlord for late payments. So those late payments, that's basically the gist of it. They're suing you for damages because they had to come to try to collect them. And the landlord is saying you're constantly late. And they want to introduce as evidence of your lateness the fact that you were sued by your ex-spouse because of late payments of alimony. And you're saying, wait a minute, they're not remotely different. I'd like to keep this out because I couldn't stand that person. This is something different. This is a business transaction, and maybe I was late a couple of times, but the other thing that's really prejudicial, and it might make me seem like a bad person, and I'm not. So that's what a motion in limine is. You're trying to keep evidence out that you believe is irrelevant or that you believe would paint you in a bad light when it doesn't need to be, and you want to just keep the focus on the facts. So those are the pretrial motions, and up next would be the actual trial.